What's up, guys? It's your boy No Chill Chad, and today's video is sponsored by CarCovers.com. Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is unboxing, getting a live review firsthand, what I think about the car cover for my 2019 and up 2500 HD. Alright, guys, so got my box here, CarCovers.com. Alright, so turn off the box, just give me a head start. Comes in a nice little bag. This is really nice. It's real heavy duty. Feels water resistant. Has like a hardened polymer feeling or something. Gotta have the bungee cord, so this is gonna attach under the bottom to make sure it doesn't fly off. Got a couple coupons. Chamois cloths and a lock. Make sure nobody can steal your cover. They also gave us a little handy dandy wand. Clean the cover, dust the cover off. It's clutch. I mean, this bag is like, I love this bag. I've had a few car covers before, but the bag was never quite like this. I love the color of it. Definitely a black one. A black one would be so bad for the truck. Oh, they even got it bowled up for us. Now, this is a really large truck, so just expect me taking a minute to actually put this thing on. Or that's my expectation, so we'll just see how it goes. Alright, so we're looking for the side that says front polyester. Alright. So it's finally on the truck. This is a big truck, so this is a big cover. So reading in the directions, these are your gust straps. I'm gonna show you how to put those on real quick. Pretty simple. You're gonna take these little clips here and you're going to attach them to the front. Pretty easy. All the way up to the front. It has like a little clicking noise to it. You're gonna put that on both sides of the vehicle. So I added my gust straps on to the front, and then I've also added my gust straps on to the rear. And that's just gonna keep the cover from flying off if the wind blows or anything like that. It's a big truck. This is definitely a big car cover. But as you can see, it covers the whole truck. So the truck is leveled on 35s, 20 by 12 wheels. So we expected not all of the wheel to be covered, but I mean, it's pretty good. So it's gonna protect it from the sun, rain, and I just washed it. So and we have a big storm coming. So we're definitely gonna see how this works out. I finally got my car cover on my truck. Probably took about 10 minutes to get it on there. Didn't take much time at all, especially after now I know how it fits on there. There's a label on the front that says front, goes over the truck fine. I had to get inside the cab to bring it on over, get in the bed, bring it on over. But after that, even if I go out of town or something like that with the gust straps, I know this thing isn't going anywhere, especially if I put the locks on it. So if you get a chance, make sure you check out carcovers.com and get your outdoor cover. Just wanted to say, I appreciate you taking your time. Check out carcovers.com. I love it. See you later, guys.